Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to CloudWatch alarms for mobile API latency step by step clearly. Navigate to the CloudWatch service from the Services menu. In the CloudWatch dashboard, find and click on the Alarms section in the left-hand menu. Click the Create Alarm button located at the top of the Alarms page. Choose the Select Metric option to proceed. In the Metrics search bar, type API Gateway to find relevant metrics. Select the latency metric associated with your specific API. Click the Select Metric button to move to the next stage. Define the alarm conditions based on your latency thresholds. Set the threshold type, either static or anomaly detection, depending on your preference. Enter the value that will trigger the alarm when the latency exceeds your defined limits. Set the duration that the metric should exceed this threshold for the alarm to activate. Click Next to continue setting up your alarm. Now, configure actions for your alarm by choosing an alarm. Select Send a Notification to and then choose an existing SNS topic or create a new one. If creating a new SNS topic, enter a name for your topic and choose the protocol and endpoint for notifications, such as email or SMS. Click Create Topic if you are making a new one. After configuring the SNS topic, click Next. Review your alarm settings to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click the Create Alarm button to finalize your setup. You will receive notifications through your configured SNS topic whenever your API latency exceeds the defined thresholds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.